Hey photographer, Jessica Whitaker here. I'm bringing you behind the scenes of a fashion photo shoot in a natural light studio with a professional model. The full gallery of images and gear used will be linked in the description box below. KEH Camera is sponsoring this video, and it's where you can buy and sell used camera equipment. Everything that goes through KEH is thoroughly quality inspected and tested, so you know exactly what you're buying. Unlike on a social media marketplace or a third-party auction site, you're just blindly trusting the seller. But KEH is a reputable place to purchase used. In this video, I'm going to be shooting with one of the 85mm 1.2 lenses that is available on KEH, and this one was in excellent plus condition, which means it was like new. And every item that's on KEH is transparently ranked on a quality scale, so it goes from excellent plus all the way down to bargain. And whatever tier you go for, there are no issues with the glass. However, bargain might have some cosmetic scratches on the outside of the lens or on the body, a little bit of natural wear and tear. And if you opt for bargain, it allows you to save extra money, like hundreds of dollars sometimes. I have a code for you if you want to save when you shop on KEH, or if you're looking to sell some of your gear, I have another code that will get you a bonus. Everything you need will be linked in the description box below. Maybe you're not looking to make a purchase anytime soon. Bookmark KEH for later because it is an amazing resource. They also carry so much more than just film and digital cameras. There's also audio equipment and tripods, accessories, everything that you need. You can probably find it secondhand in great condition on KEH. Everything will be linked in the description box below, and let's get into the video. It's gonna be a good one. Carrie just got here. Carrie's our wonderful model. Carrie did her makeup. We just went back and forth about what we wanted to do for the makeup look. While Carrie changes into the first look, actually I'll walk you through kind of what I was thinking. Then while she's changing, Laura and I are going to set up the V-flats, the reflectors in the studio, so that we can get started. Now, one amazing thing about Carrie is that every shot is a new pose. She's so fast, efficient, and you're so fluid with your posing too, that we can get through maybe like 4 different looks, and we're gonna be doing like a lot of just closer up. So yeah, we're gonna get a lot of variety. So let's actually check out what we have. Come on over here. So before Carrie got here, I just put everything up, and these things didn't need to be steamed, but we would steam them beforehand. And usually I like to have the model arrive like half an hour after the booking so that Laura and I can get everything situated. But in this case, we didn't really need to do that. This is what I ended up getting. This one, because of the texture, especially for close up, and we could just tie, they had this in a cool little bow. I have this one that I thought could be nice because the little ruching detailing and then like the sleeves could be cute, and it's actually like the perfect color of your eye makeup. Oh my, your makeup looks so good. Maybe we should start out with this simple, very simple blouse for the simple girls. We're just humble, simple girls. Okay, yeah, let's start out with this. So we have this headband. I love doing a headband for extra interest. We have this really cool little choker that we could layer with more chokers if we wanted to. It all picks up in the same color scheme. And then we'll definitely do an earring with this. So we have some fun clip-on earring options. I don't know if that would necessarily go, or if we want to do something a little bit more like dangly, but we'll see once she changes. But I just love to have a ton of options for us to be able to go through. Ouchie. Okay. And then do you want to grab the other one and bring it over? Set a timer for 35 minutes. So that will give us enough time to get through all 3 outfits. Like, Carrie's that good. And then at that point, we will know that we have a little bit of wiggle room to wrap up. And then also, because we're shooting a video component here, we need about half an hour to shoot like our intro and outro. But we have the reflector set up, the little stools, and then I'm going to get my camera set up, and we're gonna get to shooting. So Carrie has changed into the top, and it looks so cute, and then she's doing the little headband. And then for accessories, okay, so I definitely wanna do the little choker. For accessories, I am going to have us go with these clip-on hearts because it's gonna make more of an impact. Most of these photos are going to be very close up. So while these are really cute, and I even love this is probably what I would go with in real life, I would go with the bold ones. but maybe this might look better in real life. You have to think what's gonna make impact in a photo while still making sense stylistically. I think that these are gonna be really fun. Everything linked in the description box below if you're interested as well. Oh my gosh, okay, so cute. Time lapse as well. I just like to make the most of everything. Okay, so, oh, I need my camera. And you know what, maybe I'll even use something to shoot, add a little color through. So I love to have stuff in front of my lens in the foreground, and this purple could be cool to tie in because we have purple in the blouse. So I'm gonna be shooting with my 85mm, and we have this little cube set up for some close-up portraits. Yeah, that looks nice. Okay, so I'm gonna do really close where it's like from just in the shoulder, if that makes sense. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Bring your hands down ever so slightly just so we see the necklace. Yeah. Gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna bring in a little headband for, let's see if we can get some color. Oh my word. Beautiful, love. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay, stay like that. Just bring your hand down or out. Yeah, so we see the earring. Perfect. Lift your face ever so slightly for me. Yep, beautiful. Okay, stay just like that. I'm just gonna bring the little purple in.
Oh, wow. Oh my God.
You look
yes,
amazing.
The purple coming in there is really cool.
Being able to put those colors together like you did with your eyeshadow from what I sent you, that takes like an artist eye. Like, you're so talented. You're amazing. These are so good. So I think we should do some standing so I'll have more freedom to be able to move about because I'm trapped with this dress. Don't wear a long dress unless you're Amish and you have to, but never mind, okay. Okay, this is gonna be so cute though. Oh, okay, cute. The sleeves. I think what we need to do is, because it keeps showing the inside, maybe what you could do is, instead of having this hand be up where we see the inside, bring it to the opposite side and then it will fall. And then I'm gonna adjust the necklace real quick. But then we won't have to worry so much about the thing showing, okay. Oh yeah, cute, cute. And then I'm just using, again, the headband to pull a little bit of color in. Oh, that's so beautiful. Stay just like that. I'm just gonna adjust the framing. Beautiful. Rotate your shoulder, your back shoulder. Yep, beautiful. Just so we get more of the print. Wait, I can't right now. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
You
such
are
a different feel with the
amazing,
window.
right?
Way more like moody.
You are so good. These are beautiful. What if we tuck in the shirt to the pants and I'll just get a tiny bit of the purple pants in it? Okay, so whenever it's like a sitting photo, yes. And I don't want to necessarily get the full pant in it. She's gonna bring her leg up, just keep her thigh lifted, and then that's gonna get a little splash of purple. It's not about the full outfit, we just want that splash of color. And then again, we're using the good old headband. And maybe, can you rest your head on your hand and then, yeah, let's see. Oh my gosh, your eyes right now. The pop though. Yep, beautiful, Carrie. Okay, now lift up ever so slightly your head. Yep, perfect. Lift up ever, yeah, beautiful, beautiful. So we are in the second look, and since it's the high neck, I'll have you actually lean forward, so then we can kind of get the necklace like dropping a little bit, but then also you can have more flexibility that way too. So I'm gonna bring in the reflector for this. Stunning. Oh my goodness. Can you cross one knee over? Yep, perfect. Stunning. Oh my goodness. Love, love.
Oh, wow, yeah. Those
Amazing.
earrings are so fire.
Oh, so good. And then rotate your arm out. Yeah, just so we see more of the necklace. Okay, beautiful. There we go. Oh my gosh, love. Now I'm gonna get a little bit of the pink. Now I'm gonna have you actually flip this way maybe so I can, yeah. Actually, you know what, I'm gonna have you swing the stool. We'll move it out a little bit. Yep, beautiful, and then you'll face more this way with this simple white. Yeah, pretty. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, love. Wait. Oh, are these, okay, little fuzzies. Come on, little fuzzies. There we go. Oh my gosh, this is really, really, really cute. Okay, rotate your first shoulder. Yeah, you know what I mean. Beautiful. What if we do one, can you kind of put your arm, like what if we have you stand behind the stool and almost we're like leaning on it, kind of like we did for the little thing, but let's see. Actually, can you kind of go like this?
Oh,
like on kneel. Oh yeah, sorry. Oh my gosh. Okay, stay just like that. I'm just gonna adjust the hair. Oh, this is so beautiful. Lift your face ever. Yeah, beautiful. Bring your hand in just up or so. Yeah, just because of the frame. Beautiful. So we switched into the gloves, and then we're just gonna do really close-up shots for these. We untied the top bow of the blouse to show even more of the necklace. So very, very, very cute. Pull your thumb in a little. Oh yeah, you're good. From this, let's see. Turn your torso toward, yeah, beautiful. Stunning. Oh my gosh, the glitter. It's coming off so nicely. Okay, beautiful. There we go, yeah, gorgeous. Can you do maybe like both hands up on your head? Yeah, cute. Open them up a little. Yep, so we saw the earring, perfect, you did it, perfect. Cute. So one thing I'm making sure is that I have her framed nicely within the little window panes. Ooh, that's cool. So I'm kind of holding the necklace. I'm cupping it underneath the lens and just kind of adjusting to get a little bit of, it's not really light that's coming in because there's not light reflecting, but it's just adding a little bit of haze almost to the edges of the photo. Now, if this was sunlight right now coming in, it would reflect really pretty, but this is just to add a bit of interest to the image. Oh, that looks really pretty. You know what, let me switch my lens real quick. I'm gonna switch from my 85 to my 50, just so I have a little bit more room, because I do wanna get the pants in it a little bit. I just switched to my 50 millimeter. You know what, I think I wanna bring the reflector in, because we're starting to lose sunlight is the thing, and so we're having to compensate for that. So I'm just gonna push this in. Oh my gosh, okay, arch your back ever so, yeah, perfect. Love, oh my gosh, beautiful. Yeah, we might even need to just work with the light in this way, yeah. Oh my gosh, love. Maybe bring like your shoulder up, yeah. And then let's bring the hair. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. Beautiful, like the crack in the window looks so good with this. Gorgeous. And then maybe lean into it a little bit. Yeah, cute. Oh my gosh, that looks beautiful. Stay just like that. I'm gonna get a little bit of the pants. Kind of like adjust it a little bit, scrunch it. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, these look really gorgeous.
Ooh, yeah, it does pick up the light really nice.
Like this almost looks like the window in a way.
It's frosty.
We are on our last look, and I'm going to use this shirt that was our previous look and hold it against the camera lens. Beautiful. And do. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, the iridescent, it's picking up really nicely. On the eyes, actually. It's okay. It adds a little bit of shine. It's really pretty. So with the sleeve, it's kind of, I think it's just how it's ruffled. You'll have to, yeah, like keep like tugging it a little bit. And I'll keep my eye out for it too. Oh, beautiful. Gorgeous. What if we do some that are let's actually do on the ground again, kneeling with the hands up, and we do like very, very close up where we're basically just getting like the neckline, and then we get the little butterfly earrings, and then the focus will really be on the glitter on the eyes, and then I can use this to bring some light in. Perfect. Lift your face ever so slightly just so we see the earrings. Yeah, beautiful. Bring your hands a little bit closer. Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, you can see the green in the makeup a lot more with the green shirt. Oh my god, I love that. Oh.
Once we brought that reflector in, oh my gosh. These are really pretty.
These are amazing.
You did so good. If you're a photographer who is looking to join a kind, encouraging, and inclusive photography community, somewhere you can ask questions, no matter how simple they are, with no judgment, check out my free Build and Bloom Photography Facebook group. Whether you need help drafting an email response to a difficult client situation or just an extra set of eyes on your newly launched website, Build and Bloom is free to join. Just search it in Facebook groups. Be sure to hit subscribe so you're the first to know when new free videos for your photography business come out, and I will see you over in my next video. Click right here to watch and to learn. I'll see you there.